My name is Christian from EcoTree.
And I'm Bastian from MinorHotels.
We've been working together for 2 years now. Bastian, what have we been doing together?
We're doing two initiatives together. One is the forest, planting the trees, and the other one is supporting the restoration of the peatlands during the Earth Overshoot Day.
Exactly. We're standing here now in northern Germany at one of the peatlands. Why is it important for you and your clients?
Because we all have a certain responsibility for this planet, and especially we from MinorHotels also. We're looking for a reliable partner where we can support the planet and the earth, and we found with EcoTree a reliable partner who can also support us to implement the ideas of sustainability.
Exactly. So we have Denmark, we have Germany, and for this year we have a new project. What project is it?
That's right. For this year, we're going to promote Belgium, peatland area there, and looking much forward to it.
Exactly. And that's how together we have an impact on climate, biodiversity, and water at the same time. Yeah, lots of things to do. I'm very happy that we have this.
And next to that, of course, we're creating awareness as well for our company, for our colleagues, as well as for our clients. So I think it's a very important step.
I'm now here with Alex, who's the head of operations for Europe. Alex, what are you doing beside, obviously, the nature project for sustainability at MinorHotels?
Sustainability is a very big part in our company. Of course, I'm modular-plastic, doing everything to make it green and regional products, seeing that the deliveries are so close as much to the hotels, having clean energy as such, and so on. What we can do in the hotels, we do, and we try to extend this offer. We know we are limited in some areas there, and this is the reason why we need partners, because we want to extend. We want also to see that, let's say, MinorHotels, for them it is important to have a good environment, to live in an environment which is clean and is avoiding any unnecessary carbon footprint or